Hi, I'm sitting in the back of my Volkswagen Charan, which has a sagging interior roof. I'm going to show you how to fix that very easily without any glue, just using this little roll plug here, which has a thread on it, and it has a nail in the back, which I don't need, but I'm going to use it just for holding. I've already done the job with these roll plugs. There's a box there. They cost about €2 to €3 for a box of 15. The original ones are these, but I couldn't find any of these Volkswagen ones. So here I am, almost finished this back area of the Charan, and I'm using a pointed instrument to make a hole, but be careful not to push it into any wiring that's up there in the roof. There's quite a good space up there. There's about a 1-inch space in some places and about ½ an inch or 3/4 in other parts of the roof. The nylon roll plugs have got a nice little head on them, and I've chosen a transparent model so that it doesn't stick out too strongly, but it's already done the job just with a very little amount of work. Here is the pointed instrument, boost it up into the roof, and it goes in, and then I can feel, once I'm through, oops, get this in place, I can feel the roof in there, and I'm going to measure that, and that is about just over an inch, I think, up to the roof. I have this plastic roll plug, and I can either cut that instrument there, I can cut it into a sharper point, the roll plug, or I can just push it straight into that hole. There it is, halfway in, and inside, above the textile material, it seems to be like fiberglass, a thin layer of fiberglass molding. So it goes through that, and you can feel the threads on the plug. You can feel them biting into it once you get through. I'll take it out just now. There we go. Very simple. I've done the back, and also 1 or 2 bits at the front of the car where it hangs down near where the handle is above the passenger or driver, depending what kind of car it is. I hope you have some success with that. No messy glue, no stains, and the roof lining is very lightweight, and these, I'm sure these are going to be strong enough. They've got a nice little thread on them, and even the plastic, it might, with the heat, it might just open out and fix it even stronger. Good luck.